Hey everybody, it's Ryan Broderick with Alternative Solar. Chilly out here today.
A little bit.
So another question we always get is the maintenance, the upkeep with having solar panels. Am I gonna have to go up there, like wash it off, spit on it, and I have to clean it myself? Or
Yeah, that's probably the big thing. Solar is an investment, and people want to understand, how do I keep this investment maintained and working like new? The thing about solar is it's actually the only form of electricity in the world that doesn't have any moving parts. It's a passive system that's just going to sit up on your roof and collect sunlight. It's not like a car that has gears and things moving around that constantly are breaking down. There's only one key thing that you have to do to keep the solar panels in upkeep, and that's just to keep them clean. But you only want to use water, because if you use chemicals, it's going to void out your 30-year warranty that you have through the manufacturer. So the only thing that you have to do is keep them clean. We offer a solar cleaning service, but if you have like a one-story where you can actually get the hose or get a ladder and just clean them yourself, you can do that, or just let Mother Nature do her work the same way that she's already doing your work by powering your home with the sunlight. So it's real easy to keep them maintenance, just keep them clean.
Thanks again, guys. Great question. We'll keep them coming for you guys.